Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. And today we are going to discuss a very big opportunity provided by Microsoft. And in this internship program, you are going to take from home, means work from home. You are going to take, and this is very big opportunity because in this 50,000 students can apply for it. So it's a huge number, and it's really a great opportunity for beginners and also for mid-level programmers, and not only programmers, any branch, any degree can apply for this because it is a virtual internship program provided by Microsoft. As you know, like this is 50,000, so it's already a big number. So make sure you should try to do this internship from because it's work from home. Okay, and also I will try to prefer you share with your friends so that your friends can also apply because it's a 50,000 number of application. And also subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Don't forget to like the video. So let's understand how you can apply for it. So first here you have to go to aictindia.org. I will share the link in the description. You can visit from there. And here you can see the internship description. First you have to understand before applying. It says future ready talent. Means you should be ready for making your future career in Microsoft or further internship program which is provided by Microsoft. Second, it says it's a provided by Microsoft Corporation, that's India Private Limited. Second, it says it's a virtual internship program. Again, you have to understand virtual means you have to do from work from home. There is no foundation to go on office. Fine. And now it says it's updated on this website on 17th September and it's on India only. And here they need immediate joiner means if you got selected then you have to join immediately after getting selection later. And also it's of 8 weeks. Stipend they have not mentioned till now. You will get all the details stipend about in the email when you got selected, and you have to apply latest by 29 September latest. Okay, again they have a tag of virtual internship. Fine. Again, when I talk about the program, here it says already it's a future ready talent. In this is a virtual internship platform with an opportunity to learn in demand Azure cloud security skill aligned to industry needs. The program aids at preparing learners work towards solving business challenges and creating innovative solutions using the power of Microsoft Azure and GitHub tools. Mainly you are going to work on this internship on Microsoft Azure and cloud concepts and also GitHub tools which is provided by Microsoft, and Microsoft also owner of GitHub, and you know these things as well. And when I talk about perks, what you are going to get, you are going to get student developer pack which is mostly 2 lakh plus. Means it's free for those who got selected after this internship program. And also in this they have Azure for the students, and also discount certification you will get from Microsoft which is totally free for you. And also you will get certificate of successful completion of internship. Means if you complete this internship you will get a certificate from Microsoft that you have done this internship virtually. And also there will be some industry session which will be taken by from Microsoft experts, or you can say Microsoft vendors. Okay, and when I talk about who can apply, so this is the most important part of this. So here you have to understand only those candidates can apply who are from any branch and specialization from any. There is no foundation. You can see there is any means anyone can apply, and also are available for duration of 8 weeks. Means you should be available for 8 weeks, then only you should apply for this internship, otherwise avoid for applying this internship. And also they said have relevant skills and interests. This is the most important. Means you have a curiosity to learn, then only apply. I will prefer if you have a curiosity to learn about cloud concept, about GitHub, about Microsoft Azure, then only go for it. Otherwise I will don't prefer to you apply for it, but I will surely encourage you to register for it so that you can get a good concept how you can and how industry is working. And also it's a virtual, so you can work from home. There's no concept of going anywhere. And also when I talk about terms of engagement, so it says the term of engagement will be as per Tulip handbook and Tulip guidelines. There is a concept which is Tulip. It will be tell after your selection that you will be getting. Okay, and also it says number of 15 50,000. Okay, now see how to apply. Just click on apply now button. After that this process will be done. If you have already down, just uh, enter your email id on password. If not, register, click on register now. After that this information will be if your college is associated with AICT. It's not, you can ask your college like your college is affiliated to AICT or not. And when I talk about non AICT affiliated college or not, so you should choose only one. After that you have to fill one by one everything. Either it's your university, either it's your student ID, either it's your first name, either it's your middle name, either it's your last name. So you have to fill one by one everything. Okay, after filling you have to just register yourself. I have already registered, so I will go for sign in. Okay, so I will just enter my email ID, and after that I will log in it and just again register it. So it's simple. Okay, after registering you have to just open again this website, and after that you have to click on apply now. If any confusion will be there, you can ask me where in the comment section. I will try to answer your doubts. And here when we talk about ULB smart city password, if you are belonging from this, you can log in using this. If you belong using this, you can log in using this. And also there is a university or institution TPO. This is only filled by your university or college. Okay, so try to don't log in using this. And also this is employer, MSM medium and UPSU. If you work on any company, then you have to visit from here, but I will prefer to register as a candidate. From here you will change your password if you forget. If you verify your mail, you can verify from here, and if you don't register it on this website, try to register it from here. And make sure to choose only if your college is AICTE affiliated, because this is provided by AICTE only. So make sure your college should be affiliated with AICTE. If not, you can just also choose this. There is no criteria of AICTE only. Okay, means anyone can apply for this internship, any college, any branch, no foundation is there. So that's, it's a great opportunity for you to learn and grow. And if any confusion again is there, I will tell you, like here you can see it is provided by government, so no one is there. And you can see 1 crore internship by 2025. So you can see how many internship they are providing, 1 crore. So you can imagine how many internship they providing in this platform. And also 1189950 plus internship already given. And how many companies are there? 25,000 companies are there. Here you can see our internship are in as Indian pani puri. So it's a good, you can say, uh, in Hindi we can say pani puri fulki wale. So like that we have tulip internships, social justice empower internships, 20,000 Cisco internship, Amroot urban infrastructure internship, Microsoft internship, corporate internship, 5,000 attention. So you can see there are lots of internship which is provided by the big giants. Giants means MNCs, or you can say outer companies which is not from India, like Microsoft, Google. So these are the important companies, and you can just register yourself. You can see here they are also providing list wise. Means if you are belonging to Andhra Pradesh, you can choose your internship in this. Means this is work from, not from home, it's a work from office. So you can see you can choose your states and the city in which you want to work internship. So it's a really great opportunity for you to visit on this, because government is working day and night for this. So that's why CSIT Vector is already going. And here you can see key announcement for students. Internship for students are fresher engineer from 99,300 crore for education sector in 2021. Apprenticeship embedded courses also will be given from the government. Online education program for student financing institution sector, that's also already given. Means you can see this is initiated by the Modi government, and it's really great initiative. And also it's a Ministry of Education that's doing great job in this COVID time. So it's all for today guys. Make sure to subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Have a great day.